Hi, today I'm going to show you how to play a game called Memory, or when I was a kid, I used to call it Concentration. The first thing you're going to do is get some note cards, or I just cut up some sturdy paper and a pencil, and you're going to write some words, and make sure you double them up so there's 2 words that match. Now remember, you can use any sight words as long as you make them twice. Today I chose to do double consonants that have 2-syllable words on them, so I made 2 of each word for every card. Don't forget to shuffle up the cards. Next, you can set the cards up by turning them upside down so you can't see the words, and then you and your partner or a team of people can take turns choosing cards. For example, I would say hobby, summer. That's not a match, so I would turn them back over. Take turns. I'm going to say hobby, and then hobby. I have a match, so I'm going to grab the cards, and I get to keep them in my pile. Once all of the cards have been chosen from the game, each person that's playing is going to count up all of their pairs and see who won the game. You can even extend it by reading the words again and even saying them in a sentence or saying some silly rhymes. I hope you have fun playing the memory game.